Hello friends, how are you all? May God bless us in this COVID-19 pandemic situation. Now, when lockdown is over, everyone want to go a short trip for a refreshment. So today I am going to giving you an address and location in Kolkata so you can visit this amazing place. But friends, always take precaution cause COVID-19 is not over. So always wear masks and sanitize yourself as much as possible before going out. So let's start the vlog friends. I will give you each and every details where the place, how to reach and everything. So watch the video till the end and like, comment and subscribe my channel. Today we are going to talk about Kolkata Heritage River Cruise, a beautiful heritage river cruise along the Hooghly River. The ride will begin from Kolkata's Millennium Park jetty. So first you have to reach Millennium Park. If you don't know where the Millennium Park is, then you first have to come in Dharmatala and then take a bus Dharmatala to Babughat or Dharmatala to Howrah, which will go through Millennium Park. If you get confused there, then ask any bus conductor or traffic police. They will tell you the exact location where to reach the bus. The bus always available in every 5 minutes. The 90-minute journey along the Hooghly River was initiated by West Bengal government from 1st October 2020. These ferry rides you will see some historical landmarks such as Eastern Railway Headquarters, Vidyasagar Setu, Eden Garden and the magnificent Howrah Bridge, and also the famous Nimtola funeral burning ghat, where many famous people like Rabindranath Tagore and Manik Bandyopadhyay's last rites were held there. Other than this, you also see the Armenian Ghat and the Chandaval Ghat. In between this, I also want to tell you that you can also reach there through Ola or Uber directly. So I am giving you the location on my description. Please check it. Other than this, I am also giving you the screenshot of Google Map location. You can also find it on here. Now we will discuss the other details about this location. The cruise is double-decker vessel with 150 passenger capacity. So you can sit both upper and lower deck. That's totally your choice, but it depends first come first serve. In weekdays there is one trip which is 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. and on the occasion of weekends there is three trips which is 2 p.m. to 4 p.m., 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. and the evening show 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. accordingly. If you want to go there on weekends, then I will suggest you please reach there before 1 hour because the line is always long and you have to make sure that you got the tickets on the same show. Otherwise, you will have to wait for the next trip. And believe me, it's very boring to wait there because I am already experienced it. So please make sure that you will reach there before 1 or half hour. So you can see we have reached the Millennium Park and you will be surprised to know that the ticket price is only 39 rupees per head. You can pause the video and check the ticket price on the signboard and the counter is on the left side from the gate. Now you see the evaluated glimpse of Kolkata Heritage River Cruise. Now the time is 4 p.m. and this ferry timing is 4 to 6 p.m. Previously we have been experienced with this afternoon show. So this time we are preferring the evening beauty of River Ganga. can see we are in the cruise and we have preferred to sit in upper deck. You can see the selfie area here, or you can say it a little bit of a stage, a little stage, which sometimes can use for better entertainment. And the most funny thing here is that everyone rotate their chairs in 360 angle, or you can say the back side, to get a better view. You can see the sunset here on the banks of river Maghanga. In my experience, I will prefer the evening time because it is more enjoyable than the afternoon show. You can see here the beauty of sunset and the glimpse of lights. The most important part is that it also have both gents and women toilet in backside, so no need to worry about that. You can fully enjoy the trip. I also want to tell you that the cruise have canteen and they serve the patties, coffee and other snacks also, but you have to go there. It is on lower deck, so you have to go there and bring it for yourself, and you have to pay for that. It is not included with the tickets. Now you can see the glimpse of light of Howrah Bridge, which reflect the theme of our national flag. In my opinion, this is a wonderful trip with traditional Bengali music or folk song, with full guidance by the cruise authority. I will suggest you please visit the place once. You can get a wonderful experience and affordable price. It is a nice place to spend evening time with your family, friends and loved ones. At last, I want to tell you that if you got any help or information from this video, then like my video and share with your family and friends. If you have any query related this journey, then comment below. I will upload a video like this frequently in the future, so you can subscribe my channel to get notification about various kind of journey. And at last, thank you for watching this video.